Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing one recovery USB or SD card and confirming your Chromebook model so the correct image installs. Once done, make sure you've backed up any local downloads or screenshots because recovery erases local storage. Cloud data stays intact. Now power off the device fully. Next, press and hold ESC plus refresh, then tap the power key to open the recovery screen. This interrupts normal boot, so the Chromebook can accept external media and flash the system image. You should use the Chromebook recovery utility in Chrome to create the recovery image. It verifies the file and writes it safely. First, install the extension, open it, and either choose your model from the list or type the manufacturer and product ID printed on the recovery screen. Once you start writing, wait until the utility confirms success. Do not remove the drive early. Then eject the media properly, because a corrupted write will prevent the Chromebook from recognizing the recovery image when you boot from it. Insert the recovery USB or SD, and with the Chromebook powered off, press ESC plus refresh plus power again to boot from the media. Follow on-screen prompts to reinstall Chrome OS. Once the restore completes, the device reboots and runs initial setup. If the screen still shows an error, try another USB port or different drive, reformat to FAT32, and rebuild the media. This fixes most write or compatibility failures. Finally, re-enroll the device if it's managed, and restore your cloud sync settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.